Hi, everyone, and welcome to CE Institute. My name is Selena Belisle, and I am the founder and one of the board approved CE educators here. But right now, what I want to do is introduce you to Desi, and I want to show you a very quick and brief demo of what Ayurvedic massage looks like in our class. We usually teach these in live webinars right now. And I know some people ask, like, well, what does Ayurvedic massage look like? Well, it's usually done with oil. Sometimes we put these plastic sheets on the table. And let me show you what it looks like. This is Desi practicing right here. It's almost like Lomi strokes sometimes, where we do the full body from heel, except we're going down to the palm and then back to the heel. Okay, so she's inside the body, outside the body, inside the body, and back. So these are fairly easy strokes that any licensed massage therapist can learn. There's a succession of them. And she teaches a full Ayurvedic massage in 12 hours. You could have an Ayurvedic massage added to your menu just after 12 hours of training. She also teaches Shirdara, poultice bodywork, and Marma massage. So you can easily get some of these Ayurvedic treatments on your service menu rather quickly after a day or two of class. Okay, there's a lot of training options in Ayurvedic bodywork here at the school. Desi has been practicing massage for about 25 years now. She was at the Florida College of Natural Health for almost 20 years. This is Desi right here. Some of you might know her if you're from Florida. She's also an esthetician, a Swami, a Reiki master. She goes to India every year. Is it India? Yeah, studying and teaching and learning. And she's really a brilliant instructor. She's in charge of our Ayurvedic studies. So, if you'd like to take some Ayurvedic training, we hope you do so with us. We feel that it's very easy for people who are already licensed as massage therapists to learn. And if you come to our website, ceinstitute.com, there are a lot of Ayurvedic offerings here for you to choose from. So, until we see you in a class, we hope you be safe.